That's the two front wings removed, so I'm going to treat all the rust, prep the rest of them, get it primed and get it painted. Other wing there. This is the paint we're using, trade paint, military paint, and this is the colour. It is called Squirrel Grey. Got the wings ready for paint, and the reason why I went for Squirrel Grey is because when I'm out there working on the van, the squirrel keeps showing up. So I was looking at paints, seeing Squirrel Grey, that's my inspiration behind it. I'll try and catch the wee guy, well no, catch him, I'll try and get a photo of him, put it up, but he's the inspiration, so that's why it's gone Squirrel Grey. Got the wings hung up for paint. I ain't a spray painter, this ain't a spray booth. I've got my suit on, got a mask, got an extraction, here goes, it's happening anyway. Cool folk, stuff's building vans, but that's minty. Listen to that in the background. Who else building van with a band playing in the background? It's quality. Back in the makeshift spray booth, bonnet, grill, here it goes. Back at it in my inside outside spray booth. Doors got to get done, insides have no long just been done, closed them over, got to spray the both of them. Just ran over them with a tack rag. If you remember I told you you've got a tack rag. So here goes. So I've basically got the sides all prepped, both sides. So limited space, so I'm going to reverse it in, paint the two back panels, see if I can get any of this one, maybe no. So paint the two back ones, turn it round, and nose it in, then do the doors. That's my plan. So see how it's basically all prepped, the sides, show you the front, it's been painted. Welcome back to my non-spray booth Lovely day. Do you know what? Stuff it. I'm going for it. Let's do it. Just forgot to mask a window. Fucking masked up. Right, back to it. That's basically the finished article paint wise. Still got the wheels stuff to do, but as far as bodywork goes, she's a done deal. Now I can finally move back onto the inside.